Mabisa kaya to?
Kuya Mike.
Uy! Tsaka na pala. Maliwanag na buwan sa inyong lahat. Kuya Mike in the house. And for today's video, I'm gonna discuss the difference between affect and effect, between and among. Expect that we're gonna have a short quiz after the discussion. And alam nyo bang ang words na effect and affect are often misused even by native speakers according to Meta AI. Medyo alarming yun kasi English speaker na yun, nagkakamali pa. Paano pa kaya tayo? So, let's start with affect. Ibig sabihin ng affect, to influence or have an impact on something or someone. In Tagalog, nakaka-apekto, nakaka-impluwensya. Madalas din yung ginagamit in the context of emotions or feelings. Example, the cold weather will affect the crops. Yung crops na tinutukoy dyan is a plant that is grown as food, gaya ng grain like palay o kaya fruit or vegetable. Meaning, the weather will influence the crops. Nakaka-apekto ang panahon sa mga pananim. Isa pang sample, dun tayo sa emotions or feelings. Her mood was affected by the news. So the news had an impact on her emotion. It could be a good news, maybe. Kung dito pa lang may konti na kayong na-observe, maybe this is the best chance para mag-click subscribe. Salamat po. Last sample. The new policy will affect many employees. So that policy will have an impact sa mga employees. Kaya affect ang ginamit. Now let's move to the word effect. Ang ibig sabihin niyan, a result or a consequence of a particular action or set of circumstance. It also often used to describe a change, pagbabago, or an outcome. Ano yung outcome? Yun yung mangyayari o nangyari. Siyempre, para mas malinaw, dapat may sample. The effect of the cold weather on the crops was devastating. Ayan na, nangyari na yung outcome. Kanina sa topic na affect, ang sabi lang, the cold weather will affect the crops. Yung malamig na panahon, makakaapekto sa pananim, at ang naging result or effect nga, ang sabi, devastating. Sige, next. The effect of the news on her mood was uplifting. Sabi kanina, her mood was affected by the news. But now, meron na siyang outcome. Meron nang naging epekto, and that was uplifting. Nagagets ba? Madali lang naman. Alright, isa pa. The new policy has a positive effect on all employees. Kanina ang sabi, the new policy will affect many employees. Sinasabi lang, makakaapekto ang bagong policy, pero di pa nila alam kung anong uri ng effect. Until time goes by, ini-implement ang new policy, they are noticed na positive. Maganda yung epekto o resulta. Taas ang kamay ng mga na-enlighten. Because we're going to proceed to our next topic. How to use words between and among. At ano ang difference nilang dalawa. So, dito muna tayo sa between. Typically, ginagamit ito to describe the relationship between two things. Example, people, object, ideas. Hey, remember, dalawa lang. Hindi isa, hindi tatlo, hindi 10. Use between if you want to imply a clear distinction or separation between the two things. Moreover, madalas gamitin to describe a choice, comparison, or contrast sa pagitan ng dalawang option. Sampulan na yan. Kakagigil na yan eh. I'm stuck between choosing chocolate or vanilla ice cream. There are two distinct options. Natagalan siya sa pagpili between chocolate and vanilla ice cream. Between ang gagamitin. Game sunod. The distance between Pampanga and Manila is approximately 80 kilometers. Next word, among. typically used to describe a relationship between three or more things. Kanina yung between, dalawa lang. Ang among, tatlo o mas marami pa. Use among if you want to imply a sense of mixture, blend, or sharing among the multiple things. Ginagamit pa ang among to describe collective or shared experience among the group. Sample, the new policy will be discussed among the staff. It falls to a group of people sharing a discussion. So, among is the right preposition. Next, the flowers were scattered among the trees. So, merong multiple object na mix together, among ang gagamitin. And that's all. Please answer the short quiz. You may use comment section to write down your answer. Good luck.
1. The blank of the rain on the parade was cancellation. 2. The medication started to take blank after a few hours. 3. The storm will blank the entire region. 4. The movie's special blank were amazing. 5. Angelique Kong is my favorite blank Viva Max actresses. 6. I got headache in choosing blank Maui Taylor and Diana Zubri to be my wife. 7. Sogo Hotel is located blank the 2 drugstore. 8. Who is the prettiest blank you?
Nag-cheat ka ba? Joke lang. Nakita nyo naman na sa simpleng video na gaya nito nakakapulot tayo ng kaalaman. Why not na i-share natin to sa ating mga kaibigan, barkada, kamag-anak, mga anak, and let them click subscribe para suportahan ng mga ganito content because remember, English is our secondary language. Hindi man ganun kagaling, at least you can manage to speak kahit papano. So, papano po? Thank you for patronizing. Huwag kayong magsasawang matuto. I have a decent number of videos na naka-upload dyan. Panoorin nyo, and bye for now. Itinurin kang prinsesa noong ikaw ay sugatan, akin kang nilunasan. Ako ang bumuo sa puso mong sugatan, binigyan ng bitamina, katawan mong mahina. Ngayon okay ka na, nabuo na kita. Masayang masaya, o ang lakas mo na, magaling ka na. Okay na, okay ba? O ba't ngayon ako'y iiwan? Kahit di pansinin, ako'y nandito pa rin. Laging nakatingin, ako'y nandito lang. Kung sakaling saktan, iwanan kang luwaan, ako'y tawagin.